Assalamualaikum dear students, कैसे हैं जी आप लोग? I hope all of you are doing well. So dear students, today we are discussing about the method of least square. So here is the question, practice question. Question number 1 is determine trend line by the least square methods from the data. आज मैं आपको बहुत ही इजी वे में करवाने वाला हूँ मेथड ऑफ लीस्ट स्क्वायर. सो हियर इज, अब इसमें क्या करते हैं हम लोग कोडिंग यूज करते हैं मेथड ऑफ लीस्ट स्क्वायर में. सो हियर इज ईयर्स हमारे पास टाइम सॉरी टी दिया गया है और प्राइस हमारे पास जो है वो दी गई है 1995 जो है वो 3 प्राइस दी गई है, 1996 की 6, 1997 2, 1998 here is 10, 1999 is 7, 2009, 2001 is 14, and 2002 is 12, 2003 is 18. So we determine the trend line. We determine the trend line. Here is the trend line. We will find this one by least square method. So here is the values t, years are in y, and this value price are in this is in time, so here is in y. So here we can take the coding values. जब हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स इन द डाटा ऑड होंगे, मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूं, जब हमारे पास नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स ऑड होंगे, कैसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, वी विल टेक द मिडिल वैल्यू एज अ जीरो. क्या कह रहा हूं, दोबारा सुनिए. जब हमारे पास ईयर्स कह लें ऑड होंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक्स जो है वो मिडिल वैल्यू को हम जीरो ले लेंगे. सो हेयर इज द मिडिल वैल्यू 1 2 3 4 एंड हेयर इज द मिडिल वैल्यू. सो 1 2 3 4, फिफ्थ इज द मिडिल वैल्यू ऑफ द वैल्यूज. सो हेयर इज जीरो. अब क्या करेंगे, हम लोअर वैल्यूज को पॉजिटिव में ले लेंगे और अपर वैल्यूज को हम क्या कर लेंगे, नेगेटिव में ले लेंगे. हेयर इज 1, हेयर इज 2 3 4. Okay, now we can take 1 2 3 4, but what is the difference between this one and this one? Upper values must be negative, so here is the negative sign. ये होता है जी कोडिंग, कहते हैं इसको हम लोग कोडेड ईयर, कि हमने ईयर्स को कोडिंग करके लिख लिया. क्योंकि ये देखिए हमारे पास एक्स तो नहीं है ना, ट्रेंड लाइन के लिए एक्स जरूरी होता है. वाई हैट लीस्ट स्क्वायर फाइंड करने के लिए, ट्रेंड लाइन के लिए, लीस्ट स्क्वायर मेथड के लिए वाई हैट इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी एक्स होता है. सो हेयर इज द, यू कैन राइट हेयर वाई हैट इज इक्वल टू ए प्लस बी एक्स. ओके, सो वी नीड हेयर इज x and y. So first of all we will say about this, what is y is dependent variable, a is intercept, b is slope, and x is independent variable. So now we will find b is equal to n summation xy minus summation x summation y over n summation x square minus summation x whole square. Okay, what is the formula for b? We called it a slope, n summation xy minus summation x summation y over n summation x square minus summation x square. It's a real formula. Okay, so here is, now we will take the sum of all values. Like, what is the sum of y? So its sum is 81. And what is the sum of this one? Because upper values are in negative and lower values are in positive, so its sum will be 0. So now we will find xy. So here is the x, here is the y. So we will multiply these two terms with each other. 4 3s are minus 12, minus 18. So here is minus 4, here is minus 10, here is 0, here is 9, here is 28, here is 36, here is 18. 4s are 72. Okay, what is the sum of this? Summation xy sum is 101. Okay dear students, now we will find what, how many numbers of n. N is the number of values, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Here are the 9 number of values. So here is 9 into What is summation xy? What is the sum of xy? Xy is 1, 1. So minus summation x is 0, summation y is 81 over, I think, dear students, now we want x square. So here is summation x square, so we want here x square. So x square is there. X square means take the square of the x values. Here is 16, here is 9, here is 4, here is 1, here is 0, here is 1, 4, 9 and 16. After putting on the calculator, so here is calculator, 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus is equal to, and plus answer 60 plus 60 is 30 plus 30 is 60. So here is 60. Now we put x square instead of this summation x square. What is the value of n? Is 9. Now summation x square is 60. So here is 60 minus summation x 0 square. So dear students, this will become 0. 81 multiplied by 0 is 0. So 0 square means 0. Now we will take just two values here, 101 over 9 into 60. Now we will put this on the calculator. So here is the calculator. So 9 into 101 bracket close over 9 into 60. So here is 1.68. 1.68 is the answer of this. Okay, so dear students, next is, now we will find intercept. What is intercept? That is a. So here is the a is equal to y bar minus b x bar. Now I am asking you, what is the value of x bar? So here is y bar. Y bar, its formula is y bar is equal to summation y over n. What is the formula of y bar? Many students told me in the class कि सर इसको इधर आके माइनस कर देंगे. नहीं, mean of y bar is summation y over n. X bar is equal to summation x over n. So here is, what is the formula of y bar? Is summation y over n. So here is summation y over n minus b is 1.68 and summation x over n. So now we will put the values of summation y. What is the summation y? So here is the summation y is 81 over 9 minus 1.68 bracket, and summation x value is 0. So here is 0 over 9, it will become 0, and what will be the rest of the equation? 9 9s are 81. Here is 9, a is equal to 9. So what is the answer of a? That is 9. Dear students, I hope all of you will can find, if data will be given, like you can say that years will be different, prices will be different. You will take the prices as a y. The reason behind it, it is a dependent variable and x is the independent variable. So we have not given the x, so we will use as a coding method. That is, if we have the odd numbers, then we can take a middle value as a 0, and other will apply like 1 2 3, and above values will be taken as a negative. So here is, what is the value of regression line? What is regression line? Y hat is equal to a plus bx, and regression line y hat is equal to a. A is 9 plus b is 1.68. Here is the value 1.68. And what is the value of x? X is there. Y hat. Now if they will ask you about what is the value of 2002 or any other value, then you will put instead of x you can put 0 minus 1, and that will be the, you can find that that is the trend line. If you want to find the trend line, you can, but here is y hat is equal to a plus bx. A is 1 plus 1.68 x. Now we will put the values of x, that is, now we will put the values of x instead of x, we can replace -4. So here is 9 plus 1 1.68 bracket x is -4, 2.28. What is the first value? That is 2.2, 2.2. And instead of x you can replace the values of x. -3, next is -2, and up to so on. You can find these values. Okay, y hat, and after that its answer will be 81. And all of you must sum all these observations when you will be solving this question. Okay dear students, आई होप कि आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन समझ आए होंगे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। जब आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लेंगे तो हमें भी मोटिवेशन मिलती है कि हम काम ठीक कर रहे हैं। ओके जी, अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफिज।